Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have not uploaded a video in like 4 to 5 months. I think that's what I checked. But anyways, I have not uploaded and I have reasons why. First of all, let's just say trigger warning for anybody that has like and deals with like anxiety and depression. I have been going through that, and also, just so much in life going on that I have not talked to you guys about. But I've been uploading a lot like on Instagram, and I've been doing a lot of Instagram reels. I've been doing a lot of like makeup looks there. I have been missing you guys. I've been wanting to do a YouTube video for a while already. I just didn't know how to get started. So I was like, you know what? Let me just do my makeup on camera and talk to you guys what I have been up to and how is my life. I would like to know how your guys' life has been going. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started here. I'm just basically gonna be doing makeup while I talk to you guys and like basically show you guys all the products that I have been into lately. Honestly, I haven't been doing my makeup like I used to. If you guys been following me for a while, I used to do my makeup like crazy colorful. Now I don't do it like that. I feel like ever since COVID started, things really changed for me. So, anyway, so I've been really into this like elf. This is their primer, the Power Grip Primer. I've been really into it. I had this other one which is kind of like their dewy primer. I basically like finished this, so I've been using this one now. You guys, I have not uploaded on here because I feel like it takes a lot of time and effort to do YouTube videos, and it's not easy because like you obviously need to find the time for it. And usually I like to film during the day. That's like the time that I like to do it because I'm kind of like a morning person. I like to do things in the morning and chill the rest of the day in the afternoon. I would do my YouTube stuff in the morning, but I started taking care of at the time, I think she was like 1 or 2-year-old. It was really hard because she would obviously need attention. You need to feed her and everything. So it was just like a really hard thing to do. And she would get picked up like at 3. And by that time, I just didn't have energy to do anything. So I just basically stopped doing YouTube. So that's why I did the reels, because it was just easier to film that. And I also started getting anxiety and depression. And those days are really hard for me. Like really, 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 really hard for me to film or even get creative. So there will be days where I wouldn't even do my makeup. Honestly, this was me the whole time. And I was like breaking out. I know you can't see, but I have been using stuff for my face for this. So it has been really hard for me. But now I'm going to do my brows. I'm going to be using this Benefit. This is the 24-hour brow setter. This obviously comes through. I was using the Anastasia one, which was this one here. Do I have it here? No, I don't have it. But I've been using the Anastasia Brow Freeze for a while, but I kind of changed it up this time. And I am using the Benefit one. I would get anxiety and depression, and that's obviously really, really hard to handle. I don't know why it was so hard for me, but I don't get creative. I literally don't even know the kind of person I am when it comes to makeup. And I also feel like people don't really care for makeup videos on YouTube anymore. I feel like people's attention span has shortened with TikTok. Nobody wants to watch a video that's like 10 to like 15 minutes long. Now they just want like 9 seconds. They don't want like a whole thing. And I feel like the makeup world has changed a lot ever since COVID. So things have just been different, to be honest. It's been really, really weird. Lately, I've been liking like skin-like finish on the face. So I'm going to be using this Urban Decay. This is their Stay Naked Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. Why is it so long? But I'm going to be using this one. I'm mixing both 40 and 41. And also, I ended up getting a job at a bar. I got a job at the bar. I am basically like a cover girl, which is like a person that sits or stands by the door and basically charges people the entrance fee. And that's literally my Friday through Monday. So I only work like 4 days there. And my God, at one point I was working 5 days, and it was killing me because I feel like I needed sleep and I was not getting that. And it was really, really, really hard. So yeah, that's why I have not been posting on here, and I really been wanting to so bad, but it was just a little hard. You guys see how perfect? I don't know why it's red here, but do you see how that kind of like matches my skin tone? It's like perfect. It's like a both mix, because I feel like the other one was a little bit too yellow and the other one's a little bit too pink. So together, it was just amazing. You guys see how nice and glowy my skin looks? I would like to know, what is it that you guys like now when it comes to YouTube? What is it that you guys watch? Honestly, when it comes to YouTube, I don't even think I watch that many makeup videos anymore. Right now, you guys, if you guys have not been into it, I have been watching the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case when it goes live on Court TV. I legit cannot believe what's happening. It is crazy. So let me know what you guys think of that case down below. I've been really into it. I swear my TikTok feed is everything about Johnny Depp. Like everything that you can imagine, it's that. And that's because I am consumed with it. So I want to know what you guys think of that case, because it is crazy. I literally can't wait for Monday to hit, because I know it's gonna go back and she's still gonna be on the stand. We just have to wait and see what she has to say. But my opinion, whatever she's saying doesn't make sense. None of it makes sense. None. Also, I am so sad that my Milk makeup, this is their Sunshine Under Eye Tint Brightener, it's gone. Look at it. I finished it. There's literally no more in there. I try squeezing as much as I can, and there's literally nothing come out. And I'm really sad, because this has been my lifesaver. This can go anywhere under the eye, and it is going to be nice, not full coverage. I tend to crease when it comes to full coverage concealers. So I'm going to be using my Milk makeup. This is a Flex concealer. As you can tell, it is busted, and it's the one that I like to use. So I'm going to go ahead and add this under my eye. Also, another thing that I feel like I have been just thinking about is the fact that I kind of want to live in the moment. Last year, I noticed that I didn't have like a lot of pictures of real time, kind of like any little moment I want to capture. And I realized that I didn't do that. I would literally scroll through my phone and just see pictures of me, videos, makeup videos, anything like that. And I told myself I'm not going to be doing that. I wanted to take more memorable pictures of my pets, of my family, of my boyfriend, my nephew, my sister. I just really wanted to capture moments, because I want to be able to, at the end of the year, look back and be like, okay, this is the kind of year I had. Because for sure 2020 was not the year. 2021 was like getting back to it, but it was still kind of iffy. And I feel like 2022 is really coming together, and I'm like, okay, Yadi, you need to get your straight and just get back to what you used to love to do, and that was YouTube videos, makeup videos. I just really need to get back to who I was, because honestly, like I said, anxiety and depression makes me feel like I lose myself, and I cannot be doing this again. Like, I cannot be doing this more. I really need to get back to it. I love making content. I love creating videos. I just feel like, what is it that people want to see, you know? I don't know. And I feel like my life is really not that interesting besides the makeup stuff. It really isn't. So that's why I was having a hard time. But this is why I wanted to capture more moments of me living life and just, you know, focusing on the people that I love. Even though sometimes I'm having a hard time with myself, I can really fake it and just pretend like there's nothing wrong with me. Like when I'm at work, I have to like literally pretend and just deal with the drunk people. But I really try. Just in case you guys were wondering which setting powder I'm using, I am using Huda Beauty. This is the Pound Cake one. Very good. Very good. My brows, I am going to be using the Give Beauty, which is Gwen Stefani's makeup brand, which I am obsessed with. So good. I have been using the brow pencil. I feel like it's so pretty and like creamy, and it's just, it makes my brows look so nice. I've also been playing with my style lately. I've been really digging like the bright colors. Don't get me wrong, black clothing is gonna have my heart. I love the black aesthetic, like the black clothing, the tights, just a regular t-shirt, and all of that. Love it. But I really want to play with color, because I feel like I just want to be a little different. Hence, this is why I have like a bright yellow shirt. and I feel like it looks cute with my ginger hair going on. But I've been really into like the 70s kind of aesthetic, so you know, I've been doing that. And I bought a lot of cute clothes from this girl named Ash. She has like a Depop, and I've been loving her clothes. And this is one of the shirts that I got from her. I think I don't remember the price, but it is from Zara, and it's so comfortable. I love it so much. Okay, brows are done. You guys, also, if I've been skipping around just talking randomly, it seems like I just don't know what I'm doing these days. I really don't know how to even do a video at this point. I haven't filmed like this in so long that I don't even know what I'm doing. So for my face, I don't even know what I want to do with my eyes, because I'm so basic now that I don't even know. But I do want to use a product that I have been obsessed with. It is going to be the About Face Beauty. These little matte fluid eye paints are so freaking cute. So I want to be able to mix some colors together and just play with that, because I have been loving these. So I'm going to go in with these two colors. I think I want to mix these two colors and play with them. This is in the shade Spectre, I think, and it's a Blitz. These two, let's go ahead and mix them and see what I can do with this. I'm going to be using the About Face. This is their smoothing shadow fix. So I'm going to just apply this on my lids really quick before I add the color. These are really cute, kind of like eyeshadow, because you can really do anything with these. And you can literally use it as liner, shadow. You can use it for your face as well, like if you're trying to do something artistic, which I love. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this, tap this on. This is gonna help just for like the eyeshadow or like matte fluid paint to stay. Something I really liked about Halsey's brand, because she added something different to the makeup world. Like she added like these things, which is kind of like paint for your face, and you can create anything with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the orange and the yellow together, putting that in the back of my palm right there. And I'm gonna mix this together, and it kind of is a really nice way to create a new color. Do you guys see that? I just created that, and I'm gonna apply this on my lid. It's a really nice and easy way to add color to your routine. Do you guys see that? Look how pretty that is. See how easy that is? It's just like to apply. And if you wanted to go a little bit more like deeper on the lid, you guys can just add a little bit of that orange on it and just mix that color in together. I just added a little bit more orange to make it a little bit more darker or brighter around the lid. So we're gonna keep it like that for now. Adding a little bit of a liner and lash moment. Not gonna do too much craziness here. So for my eyeliner, I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the liquid liner, just to add a quick liner to the eyes. It's gonna be really easy, you guys. I have been loving to add a little bit of the inner corner kind of like line here to make it look a little bit more like cat eye, because I really like the way that looks. It's just, do you see how it just makes my eye look longer compared to round? It looks extends it, and I really like that. And this eyeliner from Anastasia is really good. I've been loving it. I've been loving using it lately. Normally I like to use my House Labs one, but I'm done with it, and I'd rather finish the other eyeliners that I have instead of opening new ones. So far that is how it's looking. Super cute. For my mascara, I'm going to be using this Milk Makeup. This is their Rise mascara. I love it, you guys. Every time I have been using, since I haven't really been using makeup, I have been using just mascara and concealer, and this mascara is so good. And I feel like, I don't know if you can tell because I obviously have like eyeliner on, but do you guys see how like nice my lashes look? It coats them very nicely, and I like that a lot. Like, do you guys see how pretty that looks? So freaking cute. The lashes that I'm going to be using, it's going to be these are the lashes from Ardell. These are the naked lashes, and I have been loving them. Look, I have been using these, but these are the new ones that I have not used, and they're just very lightweight. You're gonna see them when I put them on, but they're so freaking pretty. So this is how the mascara and the lashes look together. Do you guys see how pretty the lashes are? I only been using these lashes. I don't think I want to use any other lashes. They're really comfortable. They're lightweight. I love them. These are the lashes that don't make me feel tired. There's some lashes out there that really make me feel tired, and I don't like that. And so I've been really like how these looks. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of bronzer and blush. I have been using a lot of cream products, you guys, a lot. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in golden tan. Very, very cute. And I'm, of course, going to be using the e.l.f. Putty Blush that I have been obsessed with for so long. And with a little bit goes a long way, you guys. I'm using this Huda Beauty Face and Cheek Color brush here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it and tap it on. Easy that is, and it's not so much product on your face. Guys, I really did miss doing videos. I have not done my face on camera in so long like this, and sometimes I feel like I don't even know what to say to you guys, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's honestly nothing too serious. I'm just doing my makeup with you guys because I haven't done my makeup in so long that I miss doing my makeup on video and trying out new products. I honestly don't get that much PR anymore, to be honest. Like, I don't, it's really rare when I get makeup now. I don't know if it has to do with me not doing videos or makeup brands are just working differently now. I don't know what it is. But I really do miss creating and basically trying out new products in front of the camera. Because I always kind of try products now by myself. I'm like, okay, yeah, I like that. But I really love doing this. Kind of feels like I'm back to normal, which honestly, you guys, I don't know if I'm going to be making more videos. I am going to be making videos, but I'm not going to be doing them as often. I'm going to try my best to do as much as I can, but not like overwhelm myself, you know? It really looks really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. And basically, that's basically it with my makeup, you guys. I'm not really going to put anything on my lips right now because they're kind of chapped and it kind of hurts here. But that's basically it, you guys. What do you guys think of the look? Thank you guys for watching. I know I don't really upload that much, but I did post some of my videos, like the shorts, and you guys said that you guys missed me, and I was like, I really do need to get back to making videos. So I really miss doing this, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys watched it to here. Let me know again of the Johnny Depp case down below in the comments, because what the hell, you guys, I am so confused. Not really confused, because I do think Johnny Depp is not like perfect, but I do feel like she's lying for a lot of the things, and that's not good. Not good at all. So I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I'm watching the case with you guys, and there's a lot of questions. A lot of questions. So let me know also any video ideas you guys want in the comments below. And that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.